Think your ceiling fan is supposed to cool a room? Well, it doesn't. In fact, if you're leaving your ceiling fan on when nobody's in the room, you're actually wasting energy. Here's something even more surprising. There's a good chance your fan is spinning in the wrong direction right now. Let's fix that, because your watts matter. During the summer, your ceiling fan should spin counterclockwise when you're looking up at it. Why? Because it pushes air downward, creating a breeze across your skin. That breeze helps sweat evaporate faster and creates what's called a wind chill effect, making you feel several degrees cooler without actually changing the temperature. Because you feel cooler, many homeowners can raise their thermostat by around 4 degrees and stay comfortable, which can help reduce cooling costs. Now let's talk winter. When heating season arrives, flip the switch and run your fan clockwise on low speed. That may sound backwards, but warm air naturally rises and gets trapped near the ceiling. A clockwise fan gently pulls air upward and pushes that warm air back down along the walls, helping spread the heat more evenly throughout the room. This can allow some homeowners to lower their thermostat by 2 to 3 degrees, while still maintaining comfort, equaling energy savings. Here's one of the biggest ceiling fan myths. A fan does not cool a room, it cools people. The temperature of the room stays essentially the same. The fan just makes you feel cooler through airflow. So when you leave the room, be sure to turn your fan off. Running a fan in an empty room only uses electricity without providing any actual benefit. Think of it this way. Air conditioners cool rooms, ceiling fans cool people. Big difference. So here's your quick ceiling fan cheat sheet. In the summer, counterclockwise. In the winter, clockwise on low. Be sure to turn it off when you leave the room. Use it to feel cooler or warmer, not to change room temperature. A small adjustment, big comfort, potential energy savings all year long, and that's exactly why your watts matter. And for more energy saving tips, be sure to like and subscribe.